Good morning. So we are headed to Cracker Barrel today. We want to just go because we are okay. One second, babe. We are really just needing to get out of the house because our day has started so late, and yeah, it's just not. We just need to get out. So we're gonna go to Cracker Barrel because that's near Sam's Club where we need to go. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do this morning. And yeah, we had a little rough start, but we'll pick it back up. Say hi. Yeah, good job.
Mom, this really hurts my neck.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Here, can we take this off? There we go.
Tata.
Thank you.
Tata.
Thank you. Kiss. You wanna hold it? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh. Oh! You little stinker. Naomi has requested to talk to you guys.
Okay, we're going to Cracker Barrel, and you know what I'm getting? I'm getting Bex. Tell me if it's your favorite kind.
You're getting biscuits?
Yes.
Yeah, you want to know their favorite kind of biscuits?
Yeah, now I'm just asking them if they like biscuits. And my mommy and my sister, when my daddy, he's out, my daddy's going somewhere, but me and my mommy and sister, we're going somewhere else because we're going to breakfast. If you want to go to Cracker Barrel and you have already ate breakfast, you can go there again for lunch and for dinner. I want biscuits.
Biscuits?
Yeah.
And that's the sausage inside.
Yeah, I want sausages. Yes.
So that's the meal you want. Sausage, eggs, biscuits, and hash browns. Like French fries.
I don't like those.
Okay. You want pancakes? What do you want, Bells?
Well, I don't want eggs because you know what? I only like the wet pancakes.
No, you're gonna get eggs. You want pancakes? That's what you want? The mini confetti pancakes? Okay.
And then what else I will get is...
What do you mean what else? That's enough.
How are you?
Good morning.
My name is Madison. Can I get you some drinks? Why should smell so good?
Okay, Bells. No more eating butter. Don't eat butter, no.
I love bacon. Can I get one?
Yeah, get your biscuit. What'd you say?
This is.
It's a rainbow cornice. I don't know. Y'all, Bella is still eating. She has biscuits in her hands.
I already have that.
What'd you say?
I already have that.
Yeah, you do already have that.
Yeah, look.
We have a whole thing of those.
Yes.
You need to get some. Look how cute this little plug-in is. This little.
Dark color is there. And then
So it's time for my girls to take a nap, and I really need to do some school. I really need to do some schoolwork, but my house is literally in shambles. So we did the monkey. The monkey was happy. Now the baboon. How do you think I feel? I'm upset. Can you show me your upset face? Your upset face. Okay. Do you ever feel like me? How do we think he feels? Let's see. Open it. What is he?
He's quiet.
So that means he's sad. Can you show me your sad face? Belle, can you show me your sad face?
He's so cute.
He's so cute, isn't he?
Yeah.
I feel like a little better. My mind's a little calm. Right, time to make a list and clean. All right, guys, look at this. Like, it's just so much to clean, like, and just unnecessary stuff. So this wheel just keeps popping off, so I need to put oil on the screw because it's just not screwing down, and I think I need a ratchet to like help it. So this has been a nightmare. Like, it took me 3 hours to put this car together, and then it's doing this. So I have to fix that. I need to give that back to my sister. That's hers. We need to throw this chair out because it's broken. Trash, a random shoe, just stuff. Like, what? Like, what is that? What? Like, I really want to get rid of this couch. However, I know we're moving in a few months, and well, we plan this in like a basement, so that's why I'm holding on to it. But this is just not a good couch for like to be in a place that just it's used hold on, what's the word? My brain is so scrambled. This is not a good couch for a high traffic area and where there's not carpet. I used to have a rug here, but I just have a hard time finding one that I really liked, so I just decided I didn't want one. But this always slides right here. Look, more trash under there. This always slides, so it just has to be somewhere where it's carpeted. And then there's so many stains on there. Literally, this one is so dirty, and it's just, you know, too light because it's a high traffic area. So I have to shampoo it. If I don't get to it today, I'll definitely do it on Sunday. But look, oh my gosh, I just have so much to do. So much to do, so little time. Thankfully, I did most of the dishes, so I don't really have those to worry about. But this entryway, this one I just really have to start with now because it's just stressful when you first walk into the house, and then there's just like a ton of stuff that's stressful. So that's going to be my focus today. And then there's all this stuff that needs to go to Goodwill right here. So this is all Goodwill stuff. So I need to put those in bags because when I put this here, I had my Mazda, which has a really big trunk, but now I don't have that Mazda. I have a Buick now, and the trunk is not as big, so I need to put this stuff in bags because this just won't fit in my trunk. I don't even want to get into that room. But yeah, so this is what I'm going to do right now. So let's get it done. Okay, so we are kind of halfway through. Tired and dizzy, but we gotta get it done. Put these kids to work. Sorry.
It's okay.
Entryway clean. It is seriously a beautiful day outside. Like, it is sunny. Like, it's definitely probably like 55, 60, something like that. I don't know, maybe not 60. Look at that. Such a beautiful day. So sunny. Don't need coats. You really don't need jackets. Like, oh my goodness. Love it. So now I'm gonna start on this kitchen. It's really just putting stuff away, wiping things down, and cleaning the floors. Really, that's all I need to do. So we are out to eat again in the same day. You see yourself, you see yourself, you see yourself. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, so we just got a big old cheesecake and we're gonna share it. So I've been over here feeding, like, I'll take a little piece and feed Bella, but I'll turn around and half the cheesecake is like gone. And Naomi goes, it's just making me eat it so fast. Guys, look at this cheesecake. Nami, that's enough. That's enough. No, you just ate. Look at that. So, girls are in bed, and house, well, not house, downstairs is clean. Yeah, it's been a good day. We ended up going out to eat twice, which is actually, I don't think we've ever done that, actually. No, we've never did that. Never did that before. But yeah, so we went out to eat again, which was really nice because after I just cleaned the whole kitchen, I was really exhausted, and the last thing I wanted to do was cook and make the kitchen a mess because I am a messy cook. And I was just like, you know what, forget it, we're just gonna go out to eat. My girls are like, what? We ended up going to Logan's Roadhouse, which is so random because I don't know, we don't really go there, but it worked out. But I'm about to edit this video and another video that was actually supposed to go up yesterday, but I didn't get time to do the voiceover, so I skipped the vlog. I've skipped Vlogmas day 2 already struggling, but oh well. Anyways, yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, this vlog style. I feel like I really don't have a full vlog video on my page, which is kind of weird, kind of cool. So I'll see how this does on my page, and maybe I'll do more vlogs like this. Definitely, because it's December, it's called Vlogmas. I do plan to vlog a lot more, but and give you like a little more insight to my life. However, I am pretty private. I definitely am a private person. Like, I'm not someone who likes to just show off. Like, I don't really tell a lot of people everything going on in my life, or everything I'm working on, everything I'm doing. So I don't know, vlogs, I just kind of feel like expose everything you're doing, but I guess I really don't have to. You show what you want. So yeah, did I already tell the story about the woman at Cracker Barrel who Bella, my youngest daughter, scared because she started yelling and she was like, ah, and the lady like freaked out and was like, what? Shh, shh, shh. And no, I think I told it. Okay, I'm gonna cut this out. Anyways, I hope that you guys have a great night. Happy Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas day 3.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.